Good afternoon. Time check. It's 2:45, and right now, guys, we're going to the anti store, anti merchant store. So I'm with Nestle Koyang, and then we're just gonna buy. We're just gonna buy. What's this called? Snacks for the workers. So let's go. Very nice weather though. Look at that. Okay, so this is the store. It's very close, right? It's very close to our house. And yeah, I don't know who's the owner of that house. Looks very simple. Okay, so we're here now and just let Nestle to buy snacks. There's the dog. Okay. Huh? Okay. So we're here. Right. First, guys, I'm just gonna show you the what's this called? The store. Huh? Alin yata? Right, so this is the store that is very close to us, and then there is a road over here, so this way is going to Pulo. We are Bonbon tried to go in this way every time we went to work and school. This is under font, and there is a very little nipahat over there on that mountains. Look at that. I'm just gonna show you guys. It's beautiful. And then this is the road going to our house. It's very little. It's like rough road. Usually in the village we have like this road. Okay, and then this is like mountains, but it's not like very high mountains, as you can see. So we are also using road. Okay. Over here. Look at that. It's beautiful, right? Okay. So this is just buying a biscuit, I think, because there is no what's this called, bread. So we're planning to just buy or both bread. But yeah, the merchant don't have. So yeah, this is what it is. It's the one that is available. So yeah, time check it was 2:48. Oo. And Mrs. is asking me if she can get a palagno. Palagno is like it's called palagno. It's a kind of bread. It's a dry or it's a toasted bread. Something like that. It's one of the kind. It's one of the toasted bread. Ayun, natarat ng bilog. So, ay may biscuit. May bilog. May ngunyan. Ito pinapay. Ito pinapay. Ayaw, ito ngunyan. Ito pinapay. Oh, kalit. Kapaan ba? Kabakan pag itingin pa kayo. Oo. Ano? Gintan ang magdating ka handa. Ito. Kaya may ito pati ba yun? Kaya ito yun ba? Okay. So we're now on our way going back to our house. And Nestle both. Ni, siya ito din ni. Nestle both Coke with palagno. Your house close to us, and there's another more. There's another one over here. Look at that. And by the
Dahil, tinapay, palaglo mo lang ba? Ha? Dambilog ba ito? Dambilog?
super close. So that's our house, and then the look at that. Kaman ga uli. Ay ga paano ka Windel? Wa para magsabog ko iyo kung paano ka na. Yes, so just live here and yeah, just then both. Alright, so yeah, we're here inside and just gonna check my phone. It's low but okay, it's low but already it's like 20% left, and yeah, so that's it. They have already their snacks, and it's gonna end of my vlog today, so see you in my next vlog. Peace.